In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grayscale an image in Adobe Photoshop. This is a fantastic skill to add to your editing toolkit, especially if you want to create a classic, timeless look or prepare an image for further editing. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this in a few simple steps. First, open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to visit the official Adobe website to download and install it. Adobe Photoshop is a powerful tool that allows you to manipulate images in countless ways. Today we'll focus on one straightforward yet effective feature. Once you have Photoshop open, the next step is to add your image to the project. You can do this by navigating to the File menu at the top left corner of the screen and selecting Open. Browse your files to locate the image you wish to convert to grayscale and double-click the file. This will open your image in Photoshop, allowing you to see it on the main canvas. With your image now visible, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. You'll want to click on the Image tab situated towards the upper side of the menu bar. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll be selecting Mode, which will present you with more detailed choices. In this Mode menu, look for and select the Grayscale option. This action converts your colored image into a grayscale version. A dialog box may appear asking if you'd like to discard the color information. Confirm this action by clicking Discard. This step strips the image down to its luminance values, leaving you with a black and white version. You can now take a moment to admire your image in its new grayscale form. You might notice that the absence of color can add a different mood or focus to the picture, enhancing its details in unique ways. Depending on your project, this simple transformation can lead to some stunning results. Finally, it's time to save your newly edited image. To do this, go to the File menu again, but this time select Save As. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like to keep the image and give it a new name to preserve your original file. Make sure to select the format of your choice, such as JPEG or PNG depending on your needs. Click Save and you're all done. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your image to grayscale using Adobe Photoshop. Feel free to use this technique to enhance your future projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching and happy editing.